Hello everyone, welcome to Monty Excel, Excel in Life. Wherever you are in this world, we all speak one language, that is Microsoft Excel. In this video, we are going to learn an amazing trick that will save your time and efforts when working with large data sets in the Microsoft Excel. Have you ever find yourself scrolling through endless rows, columns of the data, trying to keep track of important information? Well, no more. In this video, we will show you how to use conditional formatting to automatically highlight the selected row, column, rows and columns, make it is easier to spot and analyze specific data. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notification bell so you won't miss any future videos from Monty Excel. Without further delay, let's dive in right in. All right, let's highlight a row which makes easier to spot, analyze a specific data. To achieve this, we'll be using a conditional formatting, a powerful feature in Excel that allows us to apply formatting rules based on a certain conditions. We want Excel to recognize whenever you're trying to select a cell in a row or automatically apply the desired formatting to highlight the entire row here. So in order to do this, first step, you select the entire data set, go to the Home tab, and go to the conditional formatting. Under that, we have an option called New Rule. We are going to set a new rule here. So there are different rules available here. Format all the cells based on their values. Format only cells that contains or use formula to determine which cells to format. So this is what the option we are looking for because we are writing a formula here. So equals to row, which is no parameter. So equal to cell has a parameter. So let's try to pass row as a parameter. Once you do that, click on the format and select the desired format color or font color. You can select everything here, then say OK, then say OK. Then you see this row has selected here. The row is selected, but still it is not working 100%. The reason is whenever I'm trying to scroll, there is some action is happening on the Excel sheet, which your Excel spreadsheet is not able to identify. So we need another step in order to make this work 100%. So for which we want to go for a Visual Basic Editor to write a single line of a code. So in order to invoke your Visual Basic Editor, either you can use Alt F11 key, shortcut key to invoke the editor, or else we can just right click on the tab and go to the View Code. Once you go to the view code, this is what the editor you are going to see on the screen. Now, click on the general and you'll see a worksheet. Now I'm writing an event for the worksheet. So what event I'm writing here? That is a selection change. So whenever there is a selection changes happening on your Excel sheet, something should be triggered. So I'm writing here target dot calculate. So what exactly this line mean? This code mean? That means whenever the targeted cell is selected, calculation should automatically happen. So let me close this and save the file. And you click anywhere, you'll see that the row is automatically selected and it is working 100%. This is how we can easily make your data to spot and analyze very quickly. If you find this video informative, then click on like button and make sure to subscribe to Monty Excel. The best is yet to come. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.